Morning everybody, or hello, depending on what time you're watching this. So, it's day 2. Day number 2, Farmer Clive is here. We're just getting ready for the off. It's 9 o'clock in the morning, which is pretty early to start cutting anything really. We normally cut in the afternoon when the sunshine's nice and bright. But surprisingly this year it's been very warm, well the last 2 days. So we need to cut stuff at a certain percentage, as we know. And OSR rate's slightly different because we need to cut it in between at least 6 and 9. So at the minute it was getting on 5, so that's way too dry, so we're trying to look for a bit of wet stuff now. Ironic, I know. So we're going to have a go now. We're going to move the combine, just got to empty the trailer, and then we're away. Just put a little bit of grease on the trailer as well. Anyway, that's what we're doing today. Fingers crossed we'll get this cut. We've already got another 10 acre more of oilseed rape, and then we're going to turn it back into barley mode. Let's see how today goes. Fingers crossed, it could be a good one. So we did a voice has gone there. So I didn't actually show you what the oilseed rape actually looks like for those who don't know. Little tiny black seeds. So they're all in them pods like I explained yesterday what we're cutting. And that's what they look like. So they go to make oil and stuff like that, if anyone was wondering. Anyway, right, let's have another go. I just want to slip that in there so you can see what it actually looks like. Ah, grease gun, that's what I was looking for. I don't know where it's gone. Everything just disappears here. And just like that, the oilseed rape harvest is, I thought he was going to say it, completed. You can just tell these videos are just not rehearsed at all. He just doesn't want to play ball today. All the oilseed rapes in the shed in it, Farmer Clive.
Not quite, it's still in that trap.
There's still some that, no there's not.
They tipped it, oh. Oh, I don't know, there'll be another 8.
Empty. That's alright.
Yeah.
Still a lorry load there.
Yeah,
Good lorry load.
We've got to find what to do with the rest of it. Re-drill it.
Put it back in the ground. Just tested it, it's 8, so it's perfect. Bang on.
Yeah.
Doesn't matter what we test it until it actually gets to the place.
No, it's a waste of time, it's only just to give us a guide.
Basically. So these are all in the shed, and this will go and make oil, fingers crossed. It will. Cloud in the background. So there's one last thing I really want to say before I go. I really want to wish my niece a very, very happy birthday. It's her birthday today, her first birthday. So very happy birthday to Hallie. And we're on the way now to her birthday party because we got all done. We've got a little bit of a break now for the barley, a couple of days. So we're going to have a burger at the barbecue.
I'll take my tester with me to the barbecue and test some barley in the field next door.
And if it's going to go, we're having it. So with that, thank you all for watching. That was a short one. Okay, that's all we've done today. Please like, subscribe, and so forth and so forth. And I'll see you guys again later. So Farmer Clive, what are you, Farmer Clive?
I hope so. Yeah. And with beer and burger live at the barbecue.